Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is bullish. Gold is comfortably trading above 3400 after making a high of 3422, 3423. So there is no doubt that this market is bullish. But yes, there are other factors also that we need to consider. Okay, and we have discussed also in our previous videos. So I think you guys are aware that what I'm going to point out. But before we proceed with the video, okay, let me give you a reminder that my dear friend, today is the last trading day of this month. So unexpected profit booking may come, and we also have PCE data coming up. If you have been trading for a couple of months or years, then you must know that PCE data is a very critical data. Sometimes the market doesn't move at all, and sometimes it makes the market go crazy. So please be careful. Do not gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. If you see some unexpected spikes or moves in the market, it's better to just shut down the laptop and just enjoy the time with your friends and family. Okay, so be careful. And now let's get back to gold. So this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and the weekly closing is going to be very important. And as we all know, on the daily chart, okay, daily chart, the market is still inside the range only. As we all know, gold needs to cross 3500 to get bullish. If gold breaks 3500, then only the road is going to be open, clear for gold. But this time I feel that gold will face some serious resistance around 3440, 3450. Previously also we have seen market facing resistance around 344050 area. So today, in case market goes up, okay, there's a high chance that we will get some selling opportunity. Usually in a bullish market, okay, I prefer to stay with the trend. I do not go for reversals much. You guys must have observed. But today I feel that around 344050 we may get some good selling opportunity. Okay, and as you can already see that I have drawn many lines here. Okay, so let's discuss them one by one. Anyways, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker with low spread and swap-free accounts, you can consider opening your account with Vantage, or you can also consider opening your account with Star Trader. Both are safety-wise top-notch brokers and global brand, and they are very much well regulated from tier 1 authorities, and they are also member of the Financial Commission. So if you are looking for a broker that do not play with your capital, then feel free to consider Vantage or Star Trader, and you will find a link in the description. If you open your account through our referral, then you will get also access to our WhatsApp community. So feel free to join Vantage or Star Trader from our referral. Yesterday during the US session, okay, as we discussed that if market comes down for retracement, okay, around 3410, 3407, market may get some support. We can see that market got support, and now also market is trying to survive here, but there is a chance that market may come down for retracement. Yes, there is a high chance that market may come down for retracement. So my dear friends, if you are looking for fresh position in the market, then buying at retracement is still a good strategy. As the market is still very much bullish, so I am not suggesting any sell position here. If market reverses from 344050, it's worth taking the risk. But right now, okay, I think selling can be risky. If you want to take a sell, okay, from your own analysis, it's up to you. But personally, I feel it will be better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. The first level where you can look for buy at retracement is around 3401, 3400. This red line here you can see. Why are we considering round number? Psychological support, that's why we are considering this area, and also previous resistance will be working as support. Then we are considering this pink box here, you can see, okay, which is 339594. In 9594, we are considering this area because market has taken support previously. And at last we are considering 3390, 3388. Okay, the red line at the bottom here. So these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can expect to take support. These are not very strong levels that may hold the market, But before the US session, if market comes for retracement, definitely we can look for a buy position. Keep in mind they are not very strong levels, but if market comes for retracement, they are good enough. And what is the option number two? If market doesn't come for retracement, market will go up, isn't it? Okay. In that case, we can look for a buy above 3424. But as I always say, my reference, okay, before any breakout consolidation, okay, plays a very important role. So if market goes up from here, there's a high chance that the breakout will fail. So before breakout, if you see market struggling around 3420, 3421, then it may be a good breakout. Okay, so if you see the market is going above 3424 after some consolidation of 1 hour, 2 hours, then it's better to buy. Otherwise, it's better to avoid. If I see market going up from here, I will avoid. If I see that during the European session market has consolidated a little, okay, then only I will buy. Okay. So let's wait and watch 3424, and if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the Telegram community also, just like yesterday. So if you are not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link is in the description. There are lots of scams also going on in my name, so be careful of those groups. Okay, because it is not possible for me to upload videos all the time. So okay, I update in the Telegram community. So let me wrap it up, my dear friends. Okay, the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it, but we should not forget that on the higher time frame, gold is still inside the range, and gold has been struggling for a long time to break 3450 area. And this time also there's a high chance that 344050 will face some selling, face some resistance, and market may give us some selling opportunity. Okay. If market reverses, we can look for a sell position there. Okay, and during the day, okay, as the market is bullish, so it is better and safer for us to look for buy at retracements. So the three retracement levels, okay, on the chart of gold right now, okay, are 3401, 3400. The second is around 339495 and 3388, 3390. These are the three retracement level on the chart of gold. As I have already mentioned, they are not very strong levels that can hold the market, okay, because right now we can see that the structure of the market has not changed completely. But if market forms a big red candle during the US session, the structure will change again. And obviously it should not be surprising also, because we know due to the sideways market on the daily chart, okay, there's a frequent reversals here. So during the US session, okay, it may not be able to hold the market because of high volume, but before US session, okay, we can expect the market to take support. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then obviously, okay, we can look for a buy above 3424 area as well, but we can also look for a sell around 344050. If you are a risky trader, you can take some risk, then also you can look for a buy above 341516 during the day, okay, if market breaks this particular zone. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.